The liver is one of the most vital organs in our body, responsible for filtering toxins and waste from our blood. However, with the rise of processed foods and environmental pollutants, our livers are constantly under stress and can become overworked. This can lead to a buildup of toxins and put us at risk for various health issues. Fortunately, several superfoods can help detoxify and support the liver's function. In this video, we'll introduce the foods that add to your diet that can help keep your liver healthy and functioning at its best. So stay tuned and let's dive into the top 12 superfoods for ultimate liver cleansing. Now, before we continue, we advise our viewers to consult with a doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes. Now, subscribe to the channel and let's explore. Number 12. Carrot. Carrots, widely recognized for their abundant beta-carotene, are also a treasure trove of vitamins like A, C, K and B8. Plus, they're packed with panic acid, folate, potassium, iron, copper and manganese. You can enjoy carrots in a host of ways. Eat them raw, cook them, or include them in your fresh juices and flavorful smoothies. These options make carrots a highly adaptable addition to your everyday meals. Beta-carotene, an antioxidant in carrots, transforms into vitamin A in our body. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient that supports the liver, enhances its health, and shields it from inflammation and oxidative stress. Furthermore, it assists in the restoration and regeneration of liver cells. In addition, the fiber in carrots aids in enhancing the functionality of your digestive system. This in turn supports the elimination of waste and toxins via the intestines. However, due to carrots' high beta-carotene content, consuming them excessively might cause your skin to turn yellow-orange. However, this is not detrimental to your health and can be easily reversed by reducing your carrot intake. Number 11. Walnuts. Overall, nuts are packed full of goodness such as nutrients, vitamins, fats and antioxidants, which makes them really handy for helping with various health issues. One good example would be walnuts, which are known to be quite rich in amino acids and more specifically, one that goes by the name of arginine. This special ingredient plays a big role in helping our livers eliminate toxins and cleanse themselves. Recent studies have also shown that walnuts can help reduce liver inflammation. This is important because an inflamed liver can cause fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic is known for its intense flavor and numerous health benefits. It contains sulfur compounds that activate enzymes in the liver that are responsible for detoxification. These enzymes work by breaking down toxins and flushing them out of the body. Moreover, garlic is also a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, making it an excellent food for liver health. It shields against liver damage caused by toxins and lowers the chance of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Number 9. Beetroot. Beetroot juice is filled to the brim with nitrates and serves as an antioxidant. This means that it can do wonders for your heart's health and lower inflammation. In other words, it helps soothe any swelling or irritation in your body. And there's more. Reports from medical studies indicate that a certain compound present in beetroot is a tough soldier in the battle against fatty liver disease. Sounds impressive, right? Well, in simpler terms, beetroot might help protect our liver from getting clogged up with fats. Number 8. Grapefruit. Grapefruit, a tasty fruit we often enjoy, contains two vital antioxidants, naringin and naringenin. Studies have shown that these powerful nutrients can help safeguard the liver. This study particularly focuses on naringenin and its influence on the way our liver handles fats. Essentially, this antioxidant aids the liver in breaking down fats, lessening fat buildup and improving our body's ability to burn calories. Because of this, it might be able to assist in preventing and managing conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, making it a key player in our health. Let's not forget the grapefruit's vitamin C and additional antioxidants. It serves as a shield for our liver cells, protecting them from potential harm caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. This not only shields our liver, but also supports its natural cleaning process. This means grapefruit increases our body's power to get rid of harmful toxins. Number 7. Prickly pear. Did you know that the prickly pear's fruit and juice could be good for your liver? Some studies on animals suggest that extracts from the prickly pear can positively affect the liver, but it's important to remember that we still need to understand a few things better. For example, we need to better understand which specific substance in the prickly pear is responsible for these positive effects. We also need to figure out the best amount to consume for optimum benefits. Last but not least, we also want to make sure that these positive effects aren't just for animals but apply to us humans too. Number 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is not just an important part of people's food around the Mediterranean Sea, it's also a super source of good fats. It's known to help make your liver enzymes healthy, and that's not all. Olive oil is really good for your liver because it helps fight off something called oxidative stress. It also encourages a good inflammation and insulin response in your body, all of which help to keep your liver happy and healthy. You might be thinking, okay, but I don't like olive oil on its own. How can I include it in my food? Well, adding olive oil to your meals is a simple yet effective way to ensure you're using enough. While it's wonderful for frying and sautéing, you must add it to different meals to enjoy its full benefits. Number 5. Seafood. Seafood is loaded with nutrients that keep your liver healthy. They contain fats that fight inflammation and antioxidants like selenium and vitamin E. Research says that eating a lot of seafood might lower the amount of fat in your liver and keep diseases like NAFLD and liver cancer away. One study reviewed 34 other studies and found fairly consistent evidence that eating an extra 100 grams of fish every day could potentially lower the risk of liver cancer by 35%. The scientists thought this might be because seafood is packed with omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation and could protect against cancers caused by inflammation like liver cancer. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale and Brussels sprouts are rich in fiber, nutrients and antioxidants. Among these antioxidants is sulforaphane, which has protective effects on the liver. Research has shown that sulforaphane can help prevent liver damage caused by toxins, reduce inflammation in the liver, and even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Furthermore, cruciferous vegetables are also a great source of fiber, which has been linked to improved liver health. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is well known for its antioxidant properties but contains a powerful antioxidant called catechin. This antioxidant has been found to protect the liver from harm due to toxins and reduce inflammation in the liver. Green tea consumption is also linked to lower rates of liver diseases, such as fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. This is believed to be due to its ability to improve fat metabolism and prevent fat buildup in the liver. Number 2. Avocado. Avocado is a well-loved fruit known for its rich taste and silky feel. It's a flexible component in many dishes and a powerhouse of nutrients. This is due to its high level of good fats, especially oleic acid, a fat that's good for the heart. Avocados also contain plenty of vitamin E, potassium, and dietary fiber. The good fats in avocados can help lessen swelling, a crucial step in avoiding and managing liver problems. Vitamin E, an effective protector, helps guard liver cells from harm caused by free radicals. Additionally, avocados contain special plant chemicals that may help boost liver health. They do this by helping cleanse harmful toxins, thus reducing the workload on the liver. Yet, it's important to include avocados in your diet thoughtfully because they're high in calories and fat. Even though the fat is healthy, you should have about a quarter to half an avocado daily, roughly 30 to 50 grams. You can add avocados to salads, toast or smoothies, or simply eat one straight away with a pinch of salt and pepper. Number 1. Coffee. That's right, coffee takes the top spot in our list of foods that are good for your liver. Some studies have told us that drinking coffee on a regular basis can lower the chances of getting liver problems like cirrhosis and fatty liver disease. Now you may wonder, how does coffee do that? The answer is caffeine. The caffeine in the coffee you drink is thought to slow down how quickly liver diseases can get worse. It does this by calming down any swelling and helping to guard against fibrosis. What's fibrosis? It's when your liver tissue gets scarred. And there's more to tell. Enjoying coffee hasn't just been linked with keeping liver diseases at bay, but also with a smaller chance of getting liver cancer. However, it's important to note that these benefits come from plain black coffee without added sugar or cream. Drinking large amounts of sugary or highly caloric coffee drinks can negatively affect your liver health. Bonus: water. While it's not technically a food, water is essential for maintaining good liver function. Our livers need water to help flush out toxins and waste products from our bodies. Dehydration can lead to the buildup of these toxins, putting extra strain on our livers. So make sure you're staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Now, if you like this video and learned something new, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching.